The ingredients: 2 egg, chicken, milk, flour. Fry me and fry them here. Watch and learn here. Black pepper. A little easy spice. See me? Yeah. Fry them up. Now show the process, man. You see what I go on. See? The egg and the Caesar salad. There? Alright. Watch and see what I go on. See that? It's chicken, egg and milk, and the flour. Put some seasoning like not the white, so we season the flour too. You understand? You're Jamaican, everything gets seasoned. Everything. All the flour you have to season up too. You see? Prep it up, you know? Season salt. Little spice. Because without the spice, it can't nice. You shake that up. You see me? You season flour around here. Yeah, that's it. Egg, just mix it up. That one, you just mix it up. See what I want, people. Alright. Cool, man. See what I want. Mix up that egg. Right. Roll it through step by step. Now, see? First, look what I want in the pot there. Pepper and put that mine first. See? Pepper. Hot pepper. Alright. First, you take out the meat chicken like this. Chicken, you dip it in the egg. So we fry here. Dip it in the egg. Here. Then you flour him. You understand? Yeah. Flour him all over the place. Because you know we don't care. Yeah. Flour him. See? In the pot. So we fry chicken. Look on that. Yeah. See? Alright. Next one. See that? Get me? So we do it. Still seasoning. See? Seasoning. No, white thing. Seasoning. Hear that? Alright. So watch and learn now, man. See? Chicken. The egg. The milk. That's the flavor, yeah? Then in our flour. That's it. I know we are chef, you know. Jack of all trades. Everything we do. Hear that? And straight in a pot. So we fry, yeah. Yeah. See that? Alright. See that? I saw them pretty when they come out and watch.
Pay attention.
First, you see what I use season the chicken? And I throw that off. Right?
Right.
Put it right there in the pot.
That sauce is what was left back.
When I season the chicken, right?
Finish seasoning the chicken, the remainder of the juices from the chicken.
Ketchup.
Just put in some ketchup in there.
You know, right?
Okay. And
some dark sugar.
that's
Brown sugar, okay? Watch it. That's what we sauce people, I mean.
You see this pot, so you know that we're not getting rid of these pots anytime soon. Because these pots have a flavor. And we're not trying to get it no different.
Your bonus pot. You cook and keep clean.
Right? So don't think this pot is staying in the family for a whole heap more years to come. No matter what new pot we buy, this pot's still gonna be here. So if you don't like this pot, guess what? You're not getting none of this food. So this pot is a part of the family, right? Ray?
Yep.
And funny enough, no matter how much pot we buy, this pot still
Go ahead and stir it up. See?
See that color already? You see that?
Go on, man. Go on, do it. Don't think that. Go on, do it.
That's the sauce. See? Everything that was on the chicken we used to see is inside the sauce. Right? You can taste it to see if you have enough ketchup or if you have enough sugar, you know. Some people like it sweeter, some people like it, you know, just slightly sweetened. But we like it just right over here. Okay, see? We're recording on several devices. Don't worry, we'll be doing much more videos coming this summer. Into Christmas, we're gonna have videos for days and days.
See that? Now, that cook.
See, so that's gonna cook, because remember that's the juice from the chicken. Remember the juice from the chicken is the raw meat we took out of that. So that's the reason why you have to make it cook, because if you don't make it cook, you're basically drinking the juices of raw meat. So this is gonna be cooked.
See that? I'm gonna cover that down. Alright. Let's go look at going on my chicken over here. See that?
The rest of the fried chicken right here.
Beautiful, huh? Beautiful, huh? There you go. There you go. Soon time to get out.
You see that nice? You see that color matching the Cajun chicken sometimes. Sometimes you rush them food.
Yep.
The chicken is all white.
White.
But look on this.
Look at mine, pretty. Look over there.
You may never know what color to tell you this is, but it's a nice golden
See?
brown.
Look.
These are the finished ones so far.
See that?
If you guys could only smell that, guys. Smell it. Just smell it.
Ooh. Real chef, yeah? Mad. See that, brother? Beautiful, oh? So pretty. Look. Not even KFC looks so, though. Yeah, no, man. You're a chef, man. Look there. Come on, no, man. Come on, now. See there? I think that's where it come from, man. That's where it come from. Yeah, and look. See? Real chef, boy or beans. Yeah? Yeah. See the process? Egg, flour, this. You make some sauce with this. Watch and stay tuned for that one. Yeah. Mad.